Hi, to solve this question, into bracket x plus 3 raised to power 2 minus into another bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2. Now let a equals this in the bracket x plus 3 and b represents this x minus 3. Therefore, this will now become a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2. Remember that this is different of 2 square. So this is the same thing as a plus b into a minus b. Now, let's substitute the value of a and b into this expression now. We will have in brackets our a is x plus 3. X plus 3. This is the plus sign. Our b is x minus 3. X minus 3. Open another bracket for this one. This a is x plus 3. This is negative sign. Our b is x minus 3. Now, let's open those brackets in the expression. So we have, this will be x plus 3 plus, this positive sign will not affect this bracket, so we have x minus 3 into another bracket x plus 3. This negative sign will affect this bracket, so we have minus x minus times minus plus 3. Now, this is plus 3, this is minus 3. This minus will cancel, this minus 3 will cancel out this plus 3. So it's left 2x here. And in the second bracket, this is x, this is minus x. This will cancel out. So it's left plus 3 plus 3, which is plus 6. 6. So by multiplying these together, we have 12x. This is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching.